So I'm often asked what my favourite foxing setup is, and this has to be it. I like to use the Sightmark Wraith. This is the HD model. Now I think for the money, it's under £600. That has to be the best value scope on the market at the moment, and certainly it's the best night vision scope currently available, I reckon. And you've got a colour day screen on there, a good quality night image, especially if you use a good quality IR with that as well. You can really push that distance out to a good 300 yards with it. Nice and easy to use, records, does everything you want it to do, and I think for the money, nice and easy basic scope to use, it just ticks all the boxes. Also like to use this is the Recon tripod. It's carbon fibre, so it's not overly heavy. Certainly well worth sort of taking out in the field. Easy enough to carry around, open out, plonk out, and it gives you a nice solid rest. Also leaves your hands free so you can cool or use your thermal. You've got 360-degree movement on there, pan, tilt, everything. So yeah, really good. I prefer that over a set of sticks any day. As far as spotter goes, I like to use the Accolades. So these are the Accolade Pro 2s. Really nice bit of kit to use, real nice clear image, and same as a pair of binoculars, easy to focus and what have you. But what really shines for me is the fact that they've got a built-in laser rangefinder in there. So the ability to be able to ping a target at distance, at night, and then use decent quality scope to take a shot. For me, that's the perfect combination. Now, all these products are available from scottcountry.co.uk, and if you go over to their web page this Friday, they've got a Black Friday deal on, and you can get some excellent savings on all this gear.